Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef John Morris and you're watching Morris Stand Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing waste, nothing dash way.
So choice of vegetables for the ackee. I'm going to go in with some red bell pepper, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, Roma tomato because it's nice and firm, white onions, scotch bonnet pepper, and a little bit of garlic, right? So firstly I need a quarter of each of these peppers. So we're going to start off with our bell peppers. I just want to cut these into julienne strips. Nice little strips. Then our onion. As for the tomato, we're going to cut those into circles. And a little scotch bonnet. And there we go. We have the tomato, the onion, the bell peppers, the garlic, and the scotch bonnet pepper, right? This is our mise en place. Alright, so I have here 1 can of ackee. So we're going to pour off the liquid from the ackee. That's our ackee. It's already pre-cooked from the can. We just throw the water off and rinse that out to get off the brine, right? Alright, so to my pan, I'm going to add some oil, about 2 tablespoons. I'm going to allow that now to heat up. Alright, so what you want to do now, we're going to saute our vegetables with the exception of the tomatoes. So first up, I'm going to go in with my onion. I'm going to pop in about 5 pimento berries. So we're going to allow these to saute up nicely. Then we're going to hit that now with our bell peppers. Season to taste with salt. Black pepper, so about a 1/4 teaspoon. And a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Going to hit that now with the scotch bonnet pepper as well as that garlic. So create a space in the center. We're going to go in with our ackee. Going to season with salt again to taste. I'm going to be using about a 1/2 teaspoon. And black pepper over there. Yep. So you're going to scoop up your vegetables on top of your ackee. Bring some heat up top. Shake that to level it out. And we're going to allow that to cook for about 5 minutes on medium-low heat. Shake that around. Gently flip. So we're going to give that a taste now. And we're going to adjust for seasoning where necessary. This tastes so good. There we go. That is it, my friends. Once again, thank you very much for watching. We see you until next time. Safe job up on the gravel. And go and big up on yourself.